Hello, grade 3. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying your good health. This is your SST lesson, and you are reading unit number 12, Being a Good Citizen, from World Watch 3. So, students, you are supposed to open page number 83 and read this page with me. Students, in the previous lessons, we have read about what are the characteristics of a good citizen. How can we become a good citizen? And in this regard, I told you about different qualities of a good citizen, as we can say fair play, kindness, honesty, respect for others, and rules. We have discussed these qualities in detail. I hope you have understood a lot about these qualities and how can we become a good citizen of a society. So, students, in this lesson, we will read what have I learned about being a good citizen. So, in simple word, I can say that we will read more about a good citizen. So we start our lesson. Students, here are key facts. Being a good citizen means doing what is right for yourself, your family, your community, your country, and the world. Some of the things a good citizen should do are: number 1, be fair. Students, what is meant by be fair? Students, in a community where people are being treated fair, everyone works together, solves problems easily, has fun, cares for one another. That is a way that many people want to live. It should be important to a person to act with fairness. If you do this, people will respect and trust you. So, first quality is be fair. Number 2, help people who need it. Students, another quality of a citizen is help people who need it. Students, helping people most in need. Do all the good you can. By all the means you can. You can choose from people in need in your own area. If you can see any people who is in need of money, you can select for your help. So this is up to you. How will you approach the needy people to be a helping hand? Number 3, be honest. Students, be honest means truthful and sincere. Be honest means truthful and sincere. You can say to be honest before or after a statement to indicate that you are telling the truth about your own opinions or feelings. About your own opinions and feelings. So, honesty is when you speak the truth and act truthfully. Clear? Number 4 quality is show respect to others. Students, show respect to others. When you give and show respect to yourself and other people, you automatically feel it reflecting in your life. If you give respect to someone, in response and in return, you get more respect from others. So you should show respect to others. Students, in this regard, 5 easy ways to show people respect. Number 1, we can show respect to someone by listening. Listening truly. Listening can be one of the hardest skill to master. but it will show your respect towards other people. So listen carefully. Number 2 is encourage. Students, if you have ever had a bad day, then you know the power a little encouragement can have. If you are in a bad condition, if you see people in a bad circumstances, in poor condition, you should encourage them. You should boost up their qualities and boost up their morale. It means you are giving value to their feelings. This shows respect. Number 3 is congratulate. It will also show your respect towards other. If someone does a great job, let them know about it. Give them congratulations on their achievement. It will show respect towards others. Number 4 is be helpful. You should give respect by offering your services. Clear, students? And number 5 is say thank you. If someone helps you and someone fulfill your requirements or your needs and help you out in difficult situation, you should say thank you. It will boost up his courage. It will boost up his morale, and it will make him happy. So these are the factors, these are the ways how can we show respect towards others. Next point is obey rules. What is another quality of a good citizen is obey rules. Students, meaning of obey rules mean to act according to what you have been asked or ordered to do by someone in authority. So, how to behave according to a rule, law, or instructions? It is up to you how you obey the rules, how you follow the instructions. Clear, students? So this rule to follow up the rules, to obey the instructions of authority, show our respect towards the institution, towards the authority, and towards the senior persons. So students, these are the qualities how to become a good citizen. Clear, students? I hope you have more understood about the qualities of a good citizen. Now come to next part. This is copy these sentences. Then write fair or unfair after each one. 1. At a party, Rida filled her plate with food. There was not enough for anyone. Is this fair or unfair? Students, this is unfair. 2. Mariam's mother said, "You cannot see this film because it is frightening for children." So this is fair or unfair? This is fair. You should avoid such scenes, frightful scenes. 3. Daniel said, "Only boys should be allowed to play football." Students, this is unfair. Every person can play football. Every child can play football. Football is not restricted to boys only. So this is unfair. 4. The older children said, "We will only play fast games at one end of the playground so that we do not knock down younger children." Students, this is fair because some children are thinking about other young children. So this is fair. They are using fair means. So students, you have to write these sentences on your notebook. So this is your lesson for today. I hope you have understood more uh, about this title, being a good citizen. Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.